Hi, Jeff here, SnirtStopper. We are back at the Millennial Farmer at his shop. Last year, we sealed up 2 doors, his west door. We are back again this year to seal up the north and the south door. It's been a year since we did the 2 big west doors.
Yep.
So, honest feedback. What did it do for you?
I definitely noticed, especially in the winter when we get that thermal bow with the doors, that especially the top has sealed a lot tighter.
Okay.
And I know when we get a west wind, there's not nearly as much that comes in the sides. We were having problems with the original seal kind of shrinking. And I don't think, it wasn't chewed off, so I don't think rodents had eaten it off. I think it had shrunk, but obviously it was kind of a warm invitation for rodents. So the new seals you put in a year ago hadn't moved. They seem to do a much better job of sealing stuff, keeping the wind out, and especially with that bow in the winter that we get, you can definitely see the difference. I really like that the bottom seal is made out of Kevlar so that the rodents aren't going to eat through it. It's got a solid warranty behind it, and it's made in America, so those are all positive things in my eyes.
And also the side and the top seal, even though it's made differently, it's the same material.
Oh, it is?
It is a Kevlar belting material, and then on the side and the top seal, it has a thermal strip instead of the thermal tube like on the bottom seal.
So that'll keep the flying mice from eating through the top seals.
Or bats.
Or bats.
Well, thank you, Zach. I really appreciate it. It is an honor to be able to seal your doors up and help you save money. I know you got to get out in the field for harvesting, so we'll let you go.
Sounds good. Thanks, Jeff.
Yeah, take care. Thanks for coming back from the field. A couple of things that I've noticed, as you can see on your north door, your original seal, there's nothing left of that.
Right.
Where the bottom sealer in ours will continue to be pliable. And for folks who aren't familiar with Zack's north door, this is a commercial door, so it's 3 inches, roughly 3 inches wide, 36 feet, I think it was.
36 wide right here and 18 tall.
Yep, and then when I say 3 inches, that's actually wide. If you look at here, it's shrunk, so Zack was getting no seals there. Then if you look this here, his side seals were okay, so we just installed the side and the top seal over the existing, because 2 layers are better than 1. And because this is a commercial door, we actually installed the top seal on the inside to help to prevent that thermal flex that you were talking about earlier. Other thoughts there, Zack?
I think it looks good. I mean, this is exactly why I wanted you to come back out here, because you look at the seal and it's just kind of sitting there. There's not much left, like you said. I think both ends had shrunk in. So, I mean, you could see the daylight right through it. So as long as your seal stays in place, like the other ones have, it's gonna seal up a lot better.
Because Snirt happens. Stop it.
That's right.